You dry my eyes with your long sleeve. Your sweatshirt's way too big on me, but it's perfect. You hate my taste in DVDs. When I let you drive the red GT, I get nervous. Yeah. Laying in your arms is like the first snow. Delicate yet takes my breath away. Oh, say you're forever and say that your heart's gonna stay. Yeah, well, you're stubborn and I'm worse, you know. Your smile is like that country road in Virginia. And you know you never let me win a Nintendo, and that's bullshit in my opinion. Yeah. But you can spin my bad days into pure gold with just a touch of your hand on my waist. Hey, say you're forever and say that your heart's gonna stay. Yeah. Shy, you said, honey, there's no time for excuses. Barefoot on Hermosa Beach, or we just let that ocean breeze be the music. Yeah. 'Cause you're the only thing worth coming home to, and it's how I wanna end all of my days. Say you're and say that your heart's gonna stay. Yeah, you, you're who I love. And this is enough for always. This singing heart is beating love, it's easy now. Summer evenings, oh keep me